Assalamualaikum and hello. We are from Group 4. Today we are going to do a presentation for Mathematic Engineering 2, that is differentiation. This is our group member for presentation. We start with Muhammad IKHWAN Shazwan bin Muhammad Zafri, F1076, Muhammad FARIZ bin Nurmaya, F1086, Zulfikri bin Muhammad, F1078, and lastly Muhammad FARHAN bin Yunus, F1077. Table of contents. We start with introduction, that is we will talk about differentiation. That is going to present by me, Zulfikri. And the second is example, application of differentiation in real life. Going to present by IKHWAN Shazwan. And the third, the solution is present by Muhammad FARIZ. And the last one is summary, present by Muhammad FARHAN. We will talk about differentiation. Differentiation is used widely in solving problems, especially in engineering, medical, commerce, agriculture, and many other fields. When you find the rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity, you are actually doing differentiation. Another name for differentiation is derivative of the function. That's all from me. I'm going to pass this presentation to Muhammad IKHWAN Shazwan.
Thank you, Zul. Now I will continue with my point that is example differentiation in real life. Example differentiation in real life is in economy. Nowadays, the decision making in economy has become more mathematical. Statistical and mathematical principles are applied in making decisions regarding possible gain or loss in investment. Here, calculus proved to be beneficial. It implemented the derivative concept to predict the result of different investment possibilities. That's all from me. Now I will pass to Faris to continue our presentation.
Thank you, Muhammad IKHWAN. Now I will continue with solve the question. So the question is y equal 25 as bracket x minus 3 power of 2. And to solution this question have 6 steps. So we go to first step. So the first step is expand. I expand y equal 25 as bracket x minus 3 power of 2. I expand bracket x minus 3 power of 2. And I calculate and get y equal 25 x power of 3 minus 150 x power of 2 plus 225x. So we go to next step. Next step is step 2. Step 2 is addition and subtraction. So this answer from step 1. I calculate and get dy per dx equals 75x power of 2 minus 300x plus 225. So this is first degree. After that, I factorize and get bracket x minus 3 and bracket x minus 1. So we go to step 3. Step 3 is find stationary point. How I get x3 and x1? I get from step 2, from this. So I just replace x with 3 and I calculate 25 bracket 3 power of 3 minus 150 bracket 3 power of 2 plus 225 bracket 3 and get 0. And this I just replace x with 1. I calculate 25 bracket 1 power of 3 minus 150 bracket 1 power of 2 plus 225 bracket 1 and get 100. So the stationary point is bracket 30 and bracket 100. So we go to step 4. Step 4 is just to find second degree. So this is first degree and I calculate to get second degree and get 150x minus 300. So we go to step 5. Step 5 is to find maximum and minimum. So the step still same with step 3, but I just use second degree. So 150 bracket 3 minus 300 and get 150. 150 is minimum when s equal 3, when s equal 1. I calculate 150 bracket 1 minus 300 and get negative 150. Negative 150 is maximum. So we go to last step. Last step is to find y-intercept. So this from answer from step 1, and I just replace x with 0. So I calculate and get y equal to 0. After I solve all 6 steps, I draw the graph, and this is therefore 30 is minimum. 30 is minimum, and 100 is maximum. This. So that's all for me. I will give to Muhammad Farhan Daim to continue our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you to Muhammad FARIZ. Now I will continue this presentation to talk about summary. So this is summary of differentiation rules. Number 1, constant rule. The formula is d over dx bracket c equal 0. So AC is a constant. Number 2, constant multiple rule. The formula is d over dx bracket cu equal c du over dx. Means c is a constant. Number 3, sum and different rules. The formula is d over dx bracket u plus minus v equal du over dx plus minus dv over dx. Number 4, product rule. The formula is d over dx bracket uv equal u dv over dx plus v du over dx. Number 5, quotient rule. The formula is d over dx bracket u over v equal v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v2. Number 6, power rules. The formula is d over dx bracket x n equal nx n minus 1. d over dx bracket u n equal nu n minus 1 du over dx. And lastly, number 7, chain rule. The formula is dy over dx equal dy over du multiplication du over dx. So that's all from our group, and thank you for lending your ears to listen our presentation. So thank you. Bye.